Symmetric encryption is a type of encryption where only one key is used to both encrypt and decrypt electronic information. So here is an example. Tom went to send his message to his coworker, Adrian, but he went to make sure that no one will read it, so he will encrypt his message. Tom and Adrian share the same key, so they will use the same key to encrypt and decrypt the data. Here how it works. First, Tom used his key to encrypt his message. Now, his message is already encrypted, so no one can read it. When Adrian get the encrypted message from Tom, he used the same key to decrypt the message, so now he can read it in plain text.
Let's understand this with a simple asymmetric encryption example. Let's go. How does asymmetric encryption work? Pretend you are spy agency and you need to devise a mechanism from your agency to report insecurely. You don't need two-way communications. They have their orders. You just need regular details report come in from them. Asymmetric encryption would allow you to create public key for the agent to encrypt the informations and a private key back to headquarters. That is the only way to decrypt it all. That's provided to impenetrable form of one-way communication.
I'm Vigneshwari here. Okay, today I would like to talk about hash encoding. Okay, hashing and encoding are two different things. So, first we'll talk about encoding. Okay, encoding. Encoding is for maintaining data usability and can be reversed by employing the same algorithm that encoded the content. Example, no key is used. Okay. Encoding is commonly used when data cannot be transferred in its current format between system or application. Okay, let's see. Okay, encoding. Encoding is not used for security purpose. Encoding is not used to protect or secure data because it is easy to reverse. Okay. Second, transform data into other format. Encoding is just a technique to transform data into other format so that it can be consumed by numerous systems. Third, there is no use of key in encoding. Means there is no use of key in encoding because algorithm that is used to encode the data is used to decode it as well. Okay, next. Encoding example. There are a lot of encoding examples include HTML URL encoding, hotel room number, base64 PHP, metro tickets, and minify.js/CSS. This is HTML, base64, and minify is all about programs. And this is our daily root example. Okay. Besides that, ASCII and Unicode are example of such algorithm as well. Okay, next. Hashing. Okay. Hashing protects the integrity of your data. It protects your data against potential alteration or modification so that your data won't change even a bit. Okay, next. Hashing. Okay. Number First, number that is generated from text through a hash algorithm. Okay. Basically, a hash is a number that is generated from the text through a hash algorithm. This number is smaller than the original text. Hashing is the transformation of string of characters into a fixed length value or key that represents the original string. Okay, second, there cannot be the same hash value for different texts. Okay, means the algorithm is designed in such a way that no two hashes are the same for two different texts, and it's impossible almost to go back from the hash value to the original value. When data is protected by a hash function, even the slightest change to the message can be detected because it will make a big change to the resulting hashing. For example, An intended recipient or intruder of your message would want to unhash the message, but then they see a different value that comes out as a result. At that point, they'll know the message has been tampered with hash encoding. Third, compare and avoid duplication in the database efficiency. Hashing is an efficient method to compare and avoid duplication in database because hashing can be used to find a specific piece of data in big databases. So, to be effective, a hash function should be efficient, which is easy to calculate, and deterministic, which is reliable to produce the same result, and pre-image resistant, which is output does not reveal anything about input, and also important is collision resistant, which is extremely unlikely that two instances will produce the same result. Okay, next. Hashing example. So, popular hashing algorithm include the secure hashing algorithm, which is SHA 512, which is known as SHA2, or also include SHA3, and MD5, which is collision problem, also called as message digest algorithm 5, MD5. Okay. Hashing is also used in digital signatures and SSL certificates and widely used in computer graphics as well. Okay. In summary, I would like to tell that encoding is a conversion of data from one format to another format, while hashing is a string of numbers generated to confirm the integrity of data through hashing algorithm. That's it.